Okay, good evening. What I want to look at is the changes in regards to the IEE IET Regulations 18th edition. Now, there are changes coming in, and this is due to be released on the 2nd of July 2018. Now, it then comes into force from the 1st of January 2019, and it means that you as electricians will need to be working to that standard in regards to the new IEE regs. Okay. Now, all I'm going to do is to go through this slowly, but I'm not going to read it out to you because you can read this for yourself, all being well. Okay. And you will see here that information in regard to some of the changes, how it will affect you. Now, please look at the new IE regs when it comes out in full, so you understand the changes and you can comply with it. This is only a snapshot of what has changed and a little bit of info to give you a start with a view to looking at what needs to be done, and if there's any changes which you have worked on that might need to be modified, or if it applies to you in any way. So again, also be aware to use your on-site guide. There will be new editions of the on-site guide coming out. Buy one, get your company to get a couple if need be, or a few more. It's in your interest to be familiar with the new regulations in place. Okay? Now you can read this for yourself. I'm not going to read this to you. Okay? Because there's quite a bit of information here for you to actually go over and to look at. Now be aware of part 2. Look at what part 2 is saying. Make that clear. Be sure you understand it. Look it up in the IE regs itself. Make sure you're clear with it. Get the on-site guide. See what changes have happened and what changes you may need to complement or apply in your new installations. Okay, just a pure guide again here. Regulations 411. Sorry. Okay. 0.3.4. Okay, make sure if it applies to you, look up more information on it. Make sure you understand how it is meant to be implemented. Okay. Look at the PEN regulations, the amendments to PEN, protective earth and neutral. Okay. Now again here, all I'm going to do is take you through this. I'm not going to read this out to you. Again, you'll see that regulations again 443.4. Make sure you understand the information on it. It is 4.344, isn't it? Okay, 1 second, bear with me a second. 443.4, yes. Okay. Now you are electricians or training to be electricians. This matters to you. Okay. Be sure you recognize the appendixes and that you know which appendix has changed in regards to the new IEE, IET regulations. It is your business to know. It's your job. And all I've done here is to give you little shots of additional data and pamphlets that you can use and look at to update yourselves on. Okay? Well, thank you for your time anyway now. Okay, and I believe we're coming to a close here, and we've closed. Okay, have a good day.